The editor config extension lets VS Code pick up basic formatting settings such as spaces versus tabs and indent size from an editor config file. To install it, I'm just going to go over to the marketplace and search editor config and find the editor config for VS Code extension here and install that. Now, if you're looking for documentation on editor configs, that is also linked to from the extension page here, or you can just search online for that. So here I have a basic editor config file, and you can see that it's defining some basic settings, so some formatting settings, some formatting defaults, and then overriding some of those settings on a per file type basis. Here I have a TypeScript file, for example, and you can see in our editor config we are supposed to be indenting using tabs, and we're supposed to be indenting using a tab size of 4. And this TypeScript file is currently indented using spaces. So now that I've installed this extension, though, VS Code will actually pick up the indent style here. So it's looking and saying, oh, this file should actually use tabs for being indented. And if I go and I run an operation such as format, so I'm going to say format document here, it'll actually go and indent using tabs, as you would expect. Now I can also go and adjust the indent size here if I wanted to. So I could do something like 8 if I want a lot of indentation, or go and say something like 2 if I want a little bit less indentation. Now all of these settings are also being picked up on a per file type basis as well. So if I go to a CSS file here, you'll see that it is being indented using tabs, and it has a tab size of 2 by default. If I go to a package.json file, you can see that my current file is indenting using tabs, but we are actually supposed to be indenting using spaces. So again, if I go and I run format here, it'll go and convert all of those to spaces, and we can actually convert to different number of spaces as well for indentation if we wanted to. So now I've increased it to use 4 spaces for indentation. Let's just go back to 2 because that's the default. So that's the editor config extension for VS Code. Editor configs are helpful if you want to enforce some basic formatting options across a project while still allowing contributors to use their editor of choice.